This Frank LLoyd Wright, FLW, late 60s inspired home located in the ever-popular Geneva neighborhood in Bellingham, is exactly what you've been waiting for. Fantastic open floor plan with open beamed ceiling supporting the wall of windows with sliding door that opens up to a wraparound porch. From the kitchen all you see is lush green trees across the street and the easy access to Euclid Park. Walk the trails with your favorite companion, launch your kayaks or just enjoy the natural setting. 4-bedroom/1.75 bath on over half+ acre lot. 1 car attached garage plus a huge 30x48 shop to park additional 4 cars. Pit to change your oil and room for a car lift. 200